first grade. It's time for Number Corner. Let's take a look at the calendar. We are still in the month of January. January starts with a capital J because it's the name of a month. Today is Thursday, January 21st, 2020. Our calendar card today is an equation, and it has a minus sign. That tells us it's a subtraction or takeaway problem. Blank something minus 8 equals 21. Okay, so in a subtraction equation, it always starts with the total, the biggest number first. So let's write our equation down and try to solve this problem. So the date 1-21, and the equation was something minus 8 equals 21. Well, let's make a number tree. We know that we don't have the total. That's our empty box, so we don't have anything to put at the top of our number tree. And we know that because subtraction equations always start with the total and then they take something away. So that total is always going to be the biggest number. So we're gonna leave a box up here, but we do know our two partners. We know that we had some and we took 8 away, and then there were 21. Remember, a strategy we know is partner plus a partner equals a total. So we can add together 8 and 21, and that will give us the number that we started with. So I'm going to underline my big number, and then I'm going to count on 8 more, okay? Today I'm going to do that by putting dots underneath my number 8. You can also grab that big number and count on with your fingers, okay? Those are just two different ways. So 21, and then I'm going to count on for 8. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, 8 plus 21 equals 29. Okay, so there were 29 to start with. And that makes sense. If we have 29 and we take 8 away, we're left with 21. I wonder if some of you recognized that you could take this 8 and this 1, and 8 plus 1 is 9, and you still had 2 groups of 10. Okay? All right, and no story problem to go with today's problem. We'll do that tomorrow. You can always make up a story problem on your own if you like. Let's add another day in school. We've reached halfway through this new group of 10. So half of 10 is 5. So we have been in school for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 5. So we have 8 groups of 10 and 5 ones. 80 plus 5. Okay? If I wanted to make 85 with tally marks, I would do this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's another way that you can write 85. January 21st, 2021. So the digital date is 1-21-21. All right, let's collect our dimes and pennies for today. All right, so let's spin the spinner, and we have 1 dime and 2 pennies. So we'll take 1 dime and 2 pennies and add it to week 3. Now yesterday when you weren't here, I quickly did number corner, and we spun 1 dime. Okay, so that's why there's that extra dime there. So today, 2 dimes, 10, 20, and 1 penny. So let's mark it. 2 more dimes and 1 penny. That's our first penny of week 3. So far for week 3, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51 cents. All right, so look down at our number line. If we're at 85, how many more days until we reach the next decade number? The number 90. If you said 5, you were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes sense. We have 5 more blanks on our 100s chart before this is filled up to 90. All right, first grade, that's Number Corner.